Hey everybody, this is your 2-minute tutorial on how to use Collaborate Ultra for live instruction. So to get started, you're going to go to your Blackboard course, scroll down to Collaborate Ultra in your course menu. Once you're in Ultra, rather than choose the course room, you're going to select Create Session. You're going to complete the session settings by giving the session a name. You're going to scroll down to Event Details and make sure you have a start and end date and time. Without the start and end date and time, you won't have access to attendance reports. Once you've completed that part, scroll down to Session Settings. Your students can enter as either a participant, a presenter, or a moderator, and that will be decided on you based on your course needs. Then select Allow Recording Downloads. Once that's done, you click Save, and you can see your newly created session here in your session list. Sessions that are in progress are dark, sessions that you've planned but are not yet available are grayed out. So now for you and your students to join the session, you'll all go to your Blackboard course. Students and you will click on Collaborate Ultra, and you'll simply select the correct course meeting. Then you'll select Join Session, and everybody will meet in your new session. Once you're in the session, you'll have access as an instructor to all the tools that you would have in a regular course room session. You'll have the mic to share your audio, video. You'll have the Collaborate panel to share content, files, or your screen or a whiteboard. You'll have the interactive tools such as polling and breakout groups. You don't have to share content. It can be where you just are sharing video and talking. If you want to record the session so that students that aren't able to meet during the live event, you want to have it available to them later, you can record the session. But once the session is over, everybody will leave the session by clicking on the session menu and click Leave Session. And that's the next thing you might be interested in is if you do need attendance reports, if you need to know who was attending, how long they attended, you simply go back to Collaborate Ultra, find the course meeting, and select the radio button to the right. I'm going to do it for this one. Once you do that, click View Reports, and you'll see a listing. Click View Report again. And then this will be a printable and downloadable file for you that shows who was in attendance, what their role was, when they joined, when they left, and their total time present. So that's it in a nutshell. If you need any help with this or have any other questions, feel free to contact me. Thank you.